Zipolite isn't on many Mexican tour groups' itinerary. That's because this tiny beachside hamlet, about an hour and a half south of Puerto Escondido, is home to Mexico's only legal nudist beach. Nicolas Olan, our completely dressed journalist, investigates. Guillermo stands up from his beach chair, shirtless, to take the last swim of the day as an orange sun sets beneath the sea and behind the Zipolite rocks. "I like clothes, but I feel a lot better without them," he says as he takes a big breath and gazes out the window at the sunset. Guillermo and his friend Roberto arrived to Zipolite a few days ago from Mexico City, where they both work and live. "We came here since COVID isn't here," Roberto explains. "It's as though I've stepped into another world." Zipolite is one of Mexico's most unusual beaches, located on the Pacific coast in the state of Oaxaca, about an hour and a half south of the surfing Mecca Puerto Escondido. It's the country's sole stretch of sand where individuals can swim and roam around naked, legally. Although the origins of the town's name are debated, most residents would tell you that Zipolite means beach of death in the indigenous Zapotec language. There's a reason for the menacing moniker. Caesar, who offers dolphin and whale watching tours off the shore, says he sees people drown every year. "Sometimes the currents and waves here are so fierce that people fear and never get out of the sea," he explains. In fact, Zipolite is regarded as one of the top 10 most dangerous beaches in the planet. Despite this dismal number, tourism has progressively increased over the previous 3 decades as the town transforms into a unique vacation destination. Various types of guest homes, cafes, hotels, and restaurants have sprouted,